And Tasha's gonna pay for the window.
I didn't put the goddamn window.
I'm trying this again. Bull crap. Stinky bird. Stinky Tasia.
Stinky computer.
Stinky Tasia's trampoline.
Stinky Donovan's glasses.
Don't call my glasses stinky.
Look, your glasses stink like trash.
Your glasses taste like food.
Your glasses smell like
Stinky Roblox.
Donovan's Yay.
Tasia's stinky farts. Tasia likes water.
Donovan hates water.
Whoa!
What?
What was that I just saw? I'm going to the
I want to use the bathroom, okay?
go to the kitchen window. I thought I saw. Whoa! Oh, there's the thunder. I need this. Ow! Oh, the lightning's in that way.
Oh.
So I need to go in my bedroom window. I'm being so stupid. That's why I'm being so stupid. Excuse me, Mr. Balloons. This curtain. Now I can see the lightning perfectly. Hell yeah. I'm making a video. I'm doing part 8 of the storm video. But I can't see the storm really well. Be cool if I had. Wait. Hold on a second. Give me this. Perfect. I can see everything. Ow! I hurt my eyes. Oh, yes. What was the... Oh, sorry. Who did that? Did I did it or the clouds did it? Oh, come on, come on. Give me something good. I want something special. Oh, I just got one. I just got it. I just got it. I just got it. I got it. I got it. Set my camera right there. That's why I was so being crazy. The lightning was in the wrong way. So that's why I had to go into my bedroom window, do this thing. I'm still filming. I might be done filming around, not yet, or soon. If the storm is continuing. I wonder how many minutes I should make this video. Ah! No! My camera! Whew. That was a close call. Oh my god, I just got it. Wait a second. Screw the windows. I'm gonna go stand outside. Be back in a minute, okay? Tasia, guess what? I saw the lightning. Ow! Yeah, I saw it. I need to stand outside. You can't see that far. Just the side of the front step. Are you cooking any supper, Auntie? What are you cooking?
Chicken and crab dinner.
Crab dinner? Can I have some?
Yeah, I'll make 2 boxes.
Tasia, do you want some crab in there?
I'll make you 2 boxes.
2 boxes? Sure, yeah.
Enough to make 3.
Free? I need something to stand on. I can't see it so far. So the lightning's over there. Yep, it's over there. Hold on. I'm gonna go get my sweater. I'm very cold. Are you cooking 3 boxes of crap in there? Just only 2? Okay, hold on. Sit this right here for a second. I saw it. That's now I need my sweater. I'm freezing. Be back in a minute, okay? Excuse me, Mr. Balloon. I just had to get my sweater, Tasia. That's why. Because I was freezing. Alright, back to my video. Oh shoot, it's getting windy. Whoa. Whoa. That cloud looks so familiar to me. Oh no. I left the curtains open. I'll close them when I get back inside. Ouch! My leg is itchy! I'm trying to... Thanks, Jaylon. Did you close the curtains for me? Thank you. I'm still filming this video. I'm gonna stand on this microwave. Oh no, my sweater's getting wet! Ah! Hey, don't do that to my sweater! You stupid rain! It looks like I'm surfboarding on the microwave. Ah, I'm falling! It looks like I'm gonna fall! Ah! I'm falling! I'm falling! Excuse me. Excuse me again. Hey, Mr. Birds! Woo! I just got 2 of them. I was just outside filming the storm video, and I'm not done yet. Did you close those curtains for me? Yeah. Thanks. Hello, balloons. I need them again. Ow! I hit my bald head on the window. I need the light off again. Stay right there. Where's my flashlight? Excuse me, balloons! Perfect. I set the flashlight right there! Let's see if I can get some good lightning. Whoa! What was that? It'd be cool if I go in the backyard and try it over there. What do you think, Jalen?
Yeah.
Should I actually try in the back?
Yeah.
Hi, My Little Ponies. I hate My Little Ponies. You know my house. I'll be back in a minute, okay? Hey, Auntie Mary. So you're done work till tomorrow, right?
When you run outside, you're letting a big fly. There's a big fly flying around you somewhere.
Hey, Tasia. So, are you still filming? Yeah, look at my camera. I'm still filming. I'm gonna go in the backyard and check if it's there. Okay? Close this door really fast. Let's check the front yard. Getting windy. Oh, Miley. Hey, Miley. There, I can see much better now. Getting windy. I'm itchy. There. It's moving faster.